up, my yayalos? Welcome back to where we have good vibes, good times, so we can live a good life. So today we are doing my Boxy charm box, and y'all remember last month when I did my Boxy charm, I received a box, and the box was like had a damaged product in it. So I did contact Boxy charm like I told y'all I would. And they gave me points to use in their charm room on their website. Okay, at first I was okay with that. But when I got to the charm room, it was like 3 products. And the 3 products were products I didn't want. So I was like, okay, well, hopefully they will change the products every month or every couple weeks. So maybe one day they will have something I want, but as for right now, they don't have anything I want. And I have a broken bronzer. So we're going on to Boxy charm. Let me pull up my sleeves a little bit. So, back to this Boxy charm. I've already cut it. Oops, I just seen what was inside a little bit, y'all. Oops, I didn't mean to. So, this is the Rock 2018 box. We have 2 separate cards here. One is the ingredient list for Dr. Brennan Pores No More. And this one is our typical, normal little list that we always have with all the prices. So, open the box and it looks like this. Let me trying to fix the box. Anyway, since we already know what this is, we're going to take it out, because it's a card about it. And this card is just the ingredient list, and I'm not going through all the ingredients. So, this is the Luminizer's Primer Base from Dr. Brandon, and the Pores No More Luminizer Primer. It retails for $38. It said it delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. So, that's that. And yes, y'all, I am in my closet. I told y'all I just woke up. Okay, let me explain myself before y'all come for me. Like, today's a holiday, and it's like 4 other people here. 2 of them being children that's running around doing stuff. So my closet is literally the quietest place I could get to record this video. And I didn't want to wait to put this out because I probably forget, honestly. And I wanted to open my stuff. So the next thing in the box is this product right here. This is the It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. I'll open this up so I can do y'all a swatch. Oh, it comes with a spoolie on this end. And this is the product. Let me see. I like the color. At first it was kind of hard, but as I go along, it softened up, and it doesn't take, oh, that's an ugly swatch. It doesn't take much. It's very pigmented, and it's not that dried out, so I'm happy about that. And the color I got is Universal Taupe. Y'all, I'm sorry. You are beautiful. You are it. XOXO Jamie. Who is Jamie? know. Okay. This retails for $24. And it's not telling me who Jamie is. So I'm not sure if Jamie is a person that did a collab with them or if Jamie is the creator. I don't know. I don't know who did it. So the next thing I see in the box is this Girlactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. We always get eyebrow pencils and we always get lip products. Nice to get, but it's very repetitive to get it in pretty much every box. So this is the Girlactic Matte Lip Paint. And typical packaging. It's in the color Demure. And this retails for $23. So I don't have a mirror, y'all. I'm gonna open up. No, hold on. I'll open up one of these next products. This is the Purely Complexion Authority Bronze and Brightening Cheek Palette. Hold on, y'all. It got a piece of sticker. Alright. And let's swatch these for y'all. Ooh. Those are the colors. These are the swatches. And this is what the palette looks like. Very pretty. So now we're going to use the mirror that's in that. Those were some pretty good swatches. And put this lip lacquer on. Well, this matte liquid lip thing. Smooth. Going on. It's actually really watery and creamy going on. Like, I don't know how to... Very pretty color. Like I said, I got the color Demure, I think it's pronounced. And this lip lacquer retail for $23. And this bronzer palette retailed for $34. And it's a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer. And I actually think these are very pretty. They're very pigmented. And I can't wait to do a look with these. Speaking of look, I will not be doing a look in this video. If y'all want to see Boxy Charm look for this month, I'll try to do them. But if y'all want them, just let me know down below. And because I don't want to do it and y'all not want it. You get what I'm saying? So if y'all want me to do it, just let me know down below. And I'll use this box to create a look. Or I can do it every month. Every month I do an unboxing. I can do a look. A Boxy Charm look. And I can separate those into 2 separate videos. So whoever wants to see the look can go see that video. And whoever wants to see the unboxing can go see that video. So the last thing in the box is... Oh, the box fell. This product right here. This is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This retails for $25. So 25. I'll do the math in a minute. So you open it up, it looks like this. And the back looks like this. We get some splotches. Let me go for the black. Go for Rebel, and maybe Wild Thing. So there's only one matte in this palette, and it is the black. It is the black shade, the matte. And these last three right here are Black Metal, Wild Thing, no, Rebel in the middle, and Wild Thing. These are very pretty. There are nine shades total, 1 matte, 8 shimmery. And if this is for rock and roll or punk and stuff, a punk look or something like that, I feel like they capture this palette very well. And there is a little mirror. The mirror is shaped like a guitar. I'm not about to show y'all because y'all gonna see my closet and I ain't got time for that. Y'all ain't about to read me for filth. So, this makeup all over me. These are very pretty. And I hope y'all do want to look, because I would love to play with these. These are very pretty. I wish they had like maybe a transition shade though. So let's read what they were going for on this palette. Because they didn't have a transition shade. It does say Metals palette, so let's see. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. The way they typed it, it wasn't supposed to be read like that. I read it correctly. So we got a palette, a bronzer, and a highlighter, illuminator, well, primer, illuminating primer. Ooh. We got a lip product and the eyebrow product. This was a very good eyebrow product and a very good lippy, but I'm sick of getting those products every month. I like these. I will use them. But like I said, stuff like this or eyeliner, if we're not getting a brow product, we're getting an eyeliner. So I can really do without these. But these 3 products right here, I am so excited. I am so excited to try. Especially this right here. I wonder if you can use it with or without like bounce of light on the skin or under makeup. So yes, you can use this by itself. It says use alone for natural bounce of light on the skin or under makeup to prep your skin for a flawless application, AM and PM. So that's very exciting. So you can just use this on your face, period. I'm excited about this. Excited about this. So, I said I was going to add this up for y'all. So y'all, I did add it up, and it did come to $144 total for all of these products. And again, this is a $21 box a month. So that was actually, oh my God. Ooh. Anyway, so actually that's a very good deal if you ask me. So that's the end of this video. With all that being said, remember, I love and you, and until next time, bye.